name is Siege, and today we are revisiting our love for Adventure Time, but with a twist. We're still making bacon pancakes, but this time with a fall-inspired twist using Bisquick, canned pumpkin, and Greek yogurt. I know, bacon and pumpkin and pancakes? Trust me, it works beautifully. The sweetness of the pumpkin complements the salty bacon perfectly, and the Greek yogurt adds a touch of tanginess and extra protein. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. As you can see, the spread is quite adventurous. The full list will be in the description below.
Ooh.
So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to mix all your dry ingredients first. Then you want to put your wet ingredients. So you want to layer them all so they all get married together. Then you want to bust out Old Faithful and make sure that you are whisking with the old antique machine that you probably will never use again.
Like that.
Truth be told, I was trying to actually recreate the type of bacon pancakes that Jake was making through the actual song. However, that didn't really turn out very well.
Interesting.
And as you can see, yeah, I fucked up.
Ugh. Fail.
Well, with that mishap, I ruined a good cast iron pan, and now I have to start over. This time I actually cut up the bacon and I put the bacon first and make sure that it is cooked all together. Separately, make they're crispy, and I just use less of the batter. That helped out a ton. So here we go. Hit that B-roll. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what I'm gonna make. Bacon pancakes! See how easy that was? Now, like I mentioned before, these pancakes are perfect for fall. The pumpkin and spices give them a warm and cozy flavor, while the bacon adds a satisfying crunch. And let's not forget the Greek yogurt, which keeps you feeling full and energized all morning long. But these pancakes are more than just a delicious breakfast treat. They're also a reminder that food has the power to bring people together, just like Finn and Jake shared a plate of bacon pancakes. We can share this recipe with our loved ones and create our new memories together. So next time you're looking for a unique and delicious breakfast option, give these bacon pumpkin pancakes with Greek yogurt a try. You might just find yourself humming Jake's catchy tune. And thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and bizarre food creations, and if you have any requests, leave them down in the comments below. Until next time, keep it binging!